Alright, so we got my mic. What is up, guys? So it's December 20, it's Friday, it's the last work day of the week, and it's currently 10 a.m. and I'm trying to catch a meeting for my main client. It's gonna be a team meeting, and yeah, so before that, let's try to grab some snacks. Let's go. So we're here. Damn, can't make a turn here. It's 10:16. I think I can still make it. So I'm planning na sa Coastal Road stay while having the meeting. Since it's kind of peaceful there. So tuyok sa ta. Okay. Bawal kasi mag-turn dito. Right. 10:17, guys. Let's go. We can do this. Okay. Got a bit of a line, but yeah, we're almost there. It's just a few meters away naman, but I hope to kiklaro kung diyan. So big. Wait, kuya. Me muna. So, papayapa natin. Ah! Why you have to brake like that? Grabe, laluma ito eh. The freak. So, we're here. I hope accepts it. Guard.
Wow! Good morning po. Welcome to the drive-thru.
Available po ang iced macchiato.
Ice macchiato po.
Apo.
Size po.
Large po.
Ano pa po?
Tapos, pwede tulo lang ka donut. Dili isa ka pack. Pwede. Sige. Assorted lang, kahit ano lang.
Pwede na lang po, sir. Thank you.
Mag-try try tag coffee. Let's try ice macchiato. Maski wala bitaga coffee good. Time check, it's 10:21. You can make it. Sheesh. Let's put on some music to
Hello, motherfucker.
mauna ni Ron ay namasko. Kita na to kay butan man ta slide. Agad isa lang sentilyo kay. Yeah. Tunganin nyo. Wala, di na ko maihap. Kumot lang na akong sensilyo dari. Wala na yung mas sikado kay pani. Malit naman ta. Tapos na to be work check. Team chat. Wala pa man. I think maabot na rin to mga 10:40-ish. Grawat sa guard. Ay, ubi ako'y cash. Tayo gini ro. Thank you. All right, so we got my mic. All right, so we got our snacks. Time check 10:26. Please pagi ako. Thank you, mga mababait na mamamayan ng Wabad. Alright, so we survived. Time check, it's 10:27. I think siguro mga 5 minutes away na lang sa Coastal Road parking lot. Time check, it's 10:28. We're here. Look at that! Time check, it's exactly 10:30. So we came in earlier than what I expected. Diba? Parking space is so open. So mingaw kay dere karon guys, no? You want to look. So there's only like 1 and 2 cars in here. Actually 3, I feel like ko. Time check, it's 10:48. So we've got less than 15 minutes before the team meeting. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys later. See you later, alligator. Oh no! Lao na siya. Bye. Doon na lang mi. Sabi kami ngaw. Exclusive for now ang coastal parking lot sa Mua doon. White pickup. Alright, so nibalin ko. We've got a bit of a shade na diri. So actually gipulian lang na ito ni Hawan na expander. We're here. Indot kayong mga trees. Let me take a sip of the Dunkin's iced macchiato. So good. Bila ko maglayan akong tiyanan ni Tod. Nice kayo ang langit guys. May pag nag-rides karon da. See? Kung kanus dili magmotor. Nindot keng langit. It's 10:52, 8 minutes before the meeting. So yeah, just I'll let you guys watch na lang. And yeah, hopefully meeting will go well. And tanay mag-attend kay nabe times na gamay lang jud kay editors nag-attend sa meeting. It's gonna be the last meeting for this year. So I guess mag-attend ba na sila. Kayo pala di ko naririnig.
Ang taas ng energy ha.
Maganda ang gising kasi sinipa ako ng anak ko sa mukha.
Sana all magandang morning.
Sana all nasa car.
Ingay kasi sa bahay, yung mga kapitbahay, yung ang lalakas na speaker nila. Papatugtog na ng non-stop ng mga Mariah Carey. Share ko muna yung parking lot dito guys.
Wow, maganda magpalakad ng aso dyan. Tapos jogging. Sana all.
Oo nga, ang lawak ah. Ganda magdala ng camping chair dyan.
Hi kayo sa vlog guys. Hi.
Naka-off cam.
Anong buong mo, Dre?
Mirage lang sa Kalam.
Wow, lang.
Oh, ano kasi to, parang mas ito ata pinaka affordable na sedan.
Brand new mo na ko ang brand new.
Oh, monthly lang din to eh. Hindi ko afford yung cash.
Sinasabi mo lang na ano yan, bulugan pero cash yan.
Nako, hindi. Papakita ko pa sa'yo mga resibo.
Mayaman yan si Dre.
Ala,
Halata naman sa tip pa lang, oh.
ala.
Papabonosin tayo ni Dre.
Bonus.
Wala nga kaming bonus eh. Pero ayos na, at least off tayo for Christmas and New Year.
Off ba, oh?
Hala, na-spoil!
Lagot.
Okay, let's start na din para ibigay na lang natin yung points dun sa team chat para hindi na kayo magtagal dito. Ano? Dre, if you have any.
Yeah, thank you Ray. So, most probably yung mga sinabi ni Ray is yun na yung mga major announcements. Yun sa akin na lang is so bale, it is not always up to us yung sa payment, for in a weekly basis. So I think what we can suggest is, aside from us constantly following up our bosses sa payout, maybe you can also you can also din like DM them if you badly needed the money na, especially right now. Holidays are upcoming, so would love to thank you guys. I think itong lahat ng mga nandito sa call ngayon is you are the one na masipag sa mga backlogs. Yung mga editors na wala dito, mostly sila tayong yung maraming backlogs na naiiwan. Just keep doing that, na hindi kayo nag-uugaling mag-iwan ng mga videos sa revisions section ng Monday. Kasi ang nangyayari kasi is may mga clients na nangungulit talaga kung kamusta na to, kailan available tong revision for this and that, or they need to post it na very soon. So yeah, yun lang. Thank you for that, and thank you so much for this year. Then it was a hell of a year talaga, this 2024, and so happy to work with you guys, and hopefully next year 2025 will be the year of scaling up SFT para mas maraming projects, mas maraming clients, and yeah, more sa atin, more power for the team. And thank you so much, guys.
Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much everyone for making it to this team meeting. We really appreciate you, and again, have a great day. Bye. Thank you.
Advance Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye.
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 That's a wrap. So, I think tambay sa ako kajut diri. Yeah, look at the place. So yeah, if you're wondering nagtagalog ko ganina, Taglish actually. Kaya ang mga editors namo is our boss sa main client nako is taga Miami, USA. But our editors and as well as my co-admin team member are all Filipinos. So mga Pinoy mitanan, but they are all based sa Luzon. So yeah, Tagalog is really the mostly spoken dialect or language in our team meeting kung wala mong clients. Kung wala mong clients kay magdugo-dugo dyan mong ilong magsigig in English. That's probably our last team meeting for this year. Kay bi-weekly naman po mong meeting. But yeah, advance Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone. Let's enjoy the day, let's be present, and yeah, celebrate the small wins and be happy with what you have right now and worry less on what's gonna happen tomorrow. Everything will work out. Salig lang. Let's go!
Break it down, happy nga ba lagi? Ate bilang lapit naman kape mo kabaado. Saritas o gago, something nga ba dito? Okay taba sa
Ladies and gentlemen, performance by Bruce Pupil, J-Bear.
What is up? So, manatag chill and tambay. So karon ipa-washing nako si 7. It's been 52 years since last na washingan ni. Kay ako amang gong gi-aim jud is mapaayos atong damage niya na bumper before nako ipa like deep clean jud tanan inside and out. So, let's go.